And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma attended a meeting at Parish Hall, Nongpoh as part of the Farm Plus mission. CM Sangma emphasized that the initiative aligns with the government's vision to boost farmers' income, improve production processes and enhance market value. The CM Plus Farm Plus program is designed to enhance productivity and expand the cultivation of high-value crops in Meghalaya, leveraging the state's climatic advantages. It provides farmers with quality planting materials, farm inputs and financial support for expanding their areas of cultivation. During the meeting, Chief Minister Sangma distributed cardamom sapling to farmers from Nongpoh district.
Improve the overall process in which they are able to increase their production or get better price for their product or add value to whatever they are producing. So with this thought process in the last 6 years, our government has been doing multiple programs for farmers, for our women self-help groups, and for our